From what I know, information, the reason why the mayor was arrested because of private armed groups, yung PAGs, no? Intel report, may PAGs. Pero as you can see, doon po, talagang parang ni walang armado, ni walang bodyguard, walang resistance, nakita niyo yung itsura ng bahay, di ba? So, I think, although we fund the PNP, we deserve an explanation of these things. We do not want a culture of impunity to continue. Ganun na nga nung past administration ang image. So I guess we have to change that. Ito po, yung mga arresting team, lahat po sila naka-face, nakahatakip po ang pakiplay po yung video. Lahat po sila nakatakip ang mga mukha, pati pangalan. Recently, I talked to Secretary Abalos about this, yung po sa Mabini, Batangas. No? The mayor there was arrested and was detained for, I think, 68 days, if I'm not mistaken, in Krame. Well, ano pong charges doon? Siguro, quickly lang po, bakit po siya nakulong? Ngayon po, nakawala na siya, no? Pinakawala na. But 68 days. And I have videos, no, showing, Mr. Chair, if I'll be allowed. Ito po, yung mga arresting team, lahat po sila naka-face, nakahatakip po ang pakiplay po yung video. Lahat po sila nakatakip ang mga mukha, pati pangalan. I would like to know. Ayan.
Sana na may wala, ha?
Ito po yung mayor.
Magparehas naman tayo.
Wala mayor, konti lang, wag na. Mayor, upo ka dyan, upo ka dyan. Upo ka dyan.
Ang pinag-aalala ko, kung may nakatanim na doon sa kapatid ko, may nagtanim na rin dito sa
Upo
akin.
ka lang, mayor, upo ka lang.
Ha? Sana naman wala naman sana ng gayunan. Ha? Ganun nyo, kung kayo yung mga nagtanim sa amin, ipakukulong nyo kami ng walang kasalanan. Huwag naman sana, sir, ha? Ano nakatanim dyan? Granada? Ha? Ha? Granada?
Yan po, Mr. Chair, yung granada nasa ulo. Wala na
Ay, may iba ko sa akin, granada rin ang ilalagay. Para ikaw walang piyansa. Ano naman rin yung gagawin mo sa akin? Sana na may huwag, ha? Wala kayong makikita sa akin. Dahil matagal na alam ko na may magpapasearch sa akin. Tsaka unang-una kahit wala pa noon, wala kayong makukuha sa akin iligan. Ha? Wala.
Mayor, upo ka lang.
Huwag naman sanang gayon ang mangyari.
Okay, siguro ikata natin. From what I know, information, the reason why the mayor was arrested because of private armed groups, yung PAGs, no? Intel report, may PAGs. Pero as you can see, doon po, talagang parang ni walang armado, ni walang bodyguard, walang resistance, nakita niyo yung itsura ng bahay, di ba? So, I think, although we fund the PNP, we deserve an explanation of these things. We do not want a culture of impunity to continue. Ganun na nga nung past administration ang image. So I guess we have to change that.
Your permission, Vice Chair JV, I just want to acknowledge also one of the Vice Chair, Senator Francis Tolentino, our Blue Ribbon and Justice Chair. Morning, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sige, Chief MP, February, can you answer? O siguro si IDG bang nag-ano yan? Sino bang unit ang nag-ano nito, nag-lead?
Yes, sir. The units that operated on this particular operation are the detectives of CIDG, RFU, NCR, together with the Pro 4A element and staff by virtue of search warrant number 23-442, sir, for violation of RA 9516. The search warrant was issued by the RTC, sir. We have with us the director of CIDG, sir. Andito.
Yes, sa akin yan. Where's the director of CIDG? Can you answer this? Kasi doon pa lang, Mr. Chair, yung pag-arresting unit, lahat nakatakip ang muka, pati mga plates, mga nameplates. Na. Pero siguro Chief NP, ikaw na lang, okay lang.
Anyway, sir, we will continue into this, sir. The CIDG director is at the holding room. Papunta po rin siya, sir.
Also, ang ano doon, ang kinaso sa kanya, violation of RA 10591, otherwise known as the Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Regulation Act. No? Kasi tapos nga, yung reported presence of private armed groups. Batangas po ito, GPNP. Kung sa Mindanao po ito, pwede. Pero kung this happened, Batangas, Cavite, wala nang ganito ngayon. In this day and age, Mr. Chair, of social media, matakot lang na mga yan, makasuhan. And I was also given information, natakot po sila. After the arrest of Mayor Villegas of Mabini, Batangas, they, a PNP officer talked to the mayors of Batangas sa isang meeting ng league. Sinabi, may susunod pa kami sa inyo. Yung mga mayor doon, Mr. Chair, tuwing Thursday, umaalis na po sila. Ayaw nilang nasa bahay kasi daw baka mangyari din sa kanila. So, bakit nagkaganon? We are supposed to be here, the PNP, to serve and protect. Hindi tayo dapat ang, we do not wish to promote a culture of impunity.
Yes, sir. If I may, sir, talagang as the Chief PNP, sir, if doon sa 5 focus agenda ko, one is aggressive and honest law enforcement operation. While we want it aggressive, we want also honestly done, because that is one way of getting the trust and confidence of the public, sir. So,
Kaya lang yung manner kasi, Chief PNP, Mr. Chair, consume na ako ng 10 minutes, but I have to, before we leave this, yun na, yung pag-apply po ng search warrant, no? Medyo may, it was applied in Antipolo. No, bakit sa Antipolo RTC nyo in-apply? Yung pinanggaling, yung saan po ginawa? Sa Mabini, Batangas yung arrest, diba? So, ano do? Tapos yung picture that was sent for the application of search warrant was not even the mayor's picture. It was his brother. No? Nakita namin yon, kapatid niya, picture. I think yung mga brothers niya may mga issues, pero kaganon, di ba? Doon pa lang, technically, pero na tayong violation doon. Hindi naman siguro pwedeng sabihin ng kasalanan ng isang miyembro pamilya, kasalanan din niya. Di ba? Doon po yung can you confirm this na yung application, Chief NP? Wala pa ba yung CIDG?